Hi, my name is Julia Szymanksi and I'm a recent UVM graduate with an environmental engineering degree. I'm currently a master's student and a teaching assistant, and welcome to the Environmental Engineering Teaching Lab. In the Environmental Engineering Lab, it is mainly used for project-based classes. The first is an introduction class where students are able to come up with their own project, design idea, and get creative with it. My freshman year, I worked on removing phosphorus from water samples, and this is a really important issue to the area because that is a problem with Lake Champlain. Later on, students will use this lab for a water quality environmental quantitative analysis course where they will quantify and understand water contamination and get to test samples.